it's on the line, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the...
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here for a while. Welcome if you are new here. I am rocking the no makeup look today. I'm just like starting out the video explaining that because I am not going to wear a full face of makeup and have my hair done and look cute with clothes, like cute clothes. I can't talk today. When I am going to be spending all day organizing and kicking butt cleaning my house. So let's just be realistic here. I'm dealing with, my eyes are very red and irritated today, so I'm not going to be putting makeup on anyway. I'm going to be doing a little self-care later, like a face mask and all that, and it's hair washing day. But before I do all of that, I'm going to be getting this house clean. And I want to, one of my big things is showing y'all that if you make content here on YouTube or any type of social media, you do not have to put makeup on in order to post a video and make content. Because we all know you're not wearing makeup every single day. Unless you are, and kudos to you for getting up, getting ready and stuff, but I feel like we as women should start just being comfortable in our own skin, showing it off, and not wearing makeup all the time. You were born with not wearing makeup, and I don't know where you know where I'm going with this. Like, I love makeup, I love doing makeup, but, you know, show off your natural beauty. Anyway, it is snowing outside, and I just randomly got the day off. The kid that I nanny got dropped off and then got picked up like an hour later from his grandma because she had a snow day at the school she works at. So very unexpected, but I'm pretty giddy about it because it is a day off that I did not expect to have, and I have so much to do around the house. So much to do. I will share with you guys obviously everything that I'm going to be doing. But I'm going to be calling this like a New Year's, New Year reset, because there's so many things in my house that need to get organized and that are like cluttered that need to be decluttered, and my fridge needs cleaned out. So I'm going to write a list. I'm going to share that list with you guys, and we are going to get it all done in this video. And this video is going to probably be pretty long. So get yourself a drink, get yourself a snack, and let's get to it. All right, I'm going to start off with the room that you, like when you first walk into my house, this is the front room area. There's not really a specific name for it. I mean, we have our workout stuff on the other side, which y'all will see, and then a little spot, a recliner chair that we sit down and put our shoes on, and then one of the litter boxes. So I cleaned that out and then just vacuumed. And y'all will see in an upcoming video, I do also decorate this room a bit more. So everything around my house is definitely a work in progress. So this right here, what I'm doing is I'm adding something to the chair. As you can see, the cats have really scratched up the chair, and I don't want to go buy a new chair because they're probably going to do the same thing. So I wish I would have put this on sooner and wish I would have known about it. But as you can see, it's a piece of like plastic, sticky plastic. It's scratch proof. And then you have the little tacks that you screw in there, and it makes it to where they can't scratch up the sides of the couch and or anything that you put it on, and it works awesome. And then I just drape like a blanket over it, and problem solved. So here's our little workout area inside. We recently moved this upstairs. We had it downstairs in the basement before, but we kind of have been moving things around to see what really works in the house. And I feel like we've kind of finally gotten a good spot to where everything needs to go. I needed to clean up my bathroom counter, so I did that, organized a bit. And then I wanted to mainly focus on the kitchen because the refrigerator really needed cleaned out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop talking and play some music. I hope this motivates you guys to do some cleaning around your house. And like I said in the beginning, this is only part 1. There's going to be probably many parts to this. I might not name it part 2, part 3. I'll name the second one part 2, but then the third one and stuff, you know, y'all will obviously just see me just, you know, continuing doing cleaning videos because it's something I really enjoy doing. So stick around to see all of the stuff that I do with the house. I'm excited. I also wanted to share this candle right here I got from my friend Shay, my best friend Shay, and it is one of the best smelling candles I've ever smelt. So if you come across it, definitely get it because it smells amazing. But yeah, let's start cleaning the kitchen. Again, hope you guys enjoy, and I will come back on here and chat in just a little bit if I feel I need to.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You were scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never want to share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. 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 Life be till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001 times before. I bet. Let me fall into your eyes all over again. And I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just Just know that I'll give you love you never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could find a break from home. If it's us that we wanted, we're happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. No, 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 no.
All right, that is the end of this video. Like I said, part 2 coming very soon. I have tons of cleaning, organizing videos coming y'all's way. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.